How to update to the latest Game Turbo 4.0 on Miui 13. Hey peeps, what's up? Manji here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update to the latest Game Turbo 4.0 on your Miui 13 devices for global or India builds. That noise is cool. So this is how the new UI is going to look like. Your games will be over here on the left hand side. You can of course scroll through them and you get this cool looking sound effect. Then if you want to start playing, just select over here, start playing, and bam, the application has opened successfully. Then in terms of the in-game UI which you get with this latest Game Turbo, here it is. Not much has changed over here other than the fact that you have your profile tab over here. Everything here is in English. You can choose balanced, you can choose the performance mode, you can of course go back as well. You have your clear memory, do not disturb, the screenshot, the screen record, Wi-Fi toggle. Then you have cast, turn off the screen. Yes, if you're playing your game while you're in class, the teacher comes up behind your back, just turn off the screen, you were not doing anything. And the next option over here is none. What's that? None. Let me see. Okay, so this is your screen brightness effects. So you have either none, then you have saturated, bright, or bright and saturated. Then of course you can go into settings. Voice changer is available for supported devices. Again, this is not available across all devices. And you can also set a timer for your gaming session. Any applications which you see over here can be opened in a floating bar once you select the application icon. So that is the in-game UI. Now going back to the main UI, it is a bit different from the old one. So on the top left, you also have your percentages. So you have your battery percentage, CPU usage, and your GPU usage. On the top right, of course, you have your settings icon. So this will take you into the settings of Game Turbo, and you have your general settings, performance settings, and game do not disturb settings. Then this icon over here, let us see what this one is supposed to do. Huh, interesting. Okay, so this also takes you to add a game directly. So once you tap on that icon, this will take you to add a game, and this on the top right is to exit. On the bottom, you have your additional settings. Again, this might not be available across all devices. So when you tap on this, you can configure your GPU settings. Do you want it default, save power, balanced, or high quality, or custom? And you also have your additional settings over here, so you can use classic mode, pro mode, or customize based on your personal preference. So you can configure the swipe response, the sensitivity, the tap stability, and your aiming accuracy. So that is all about this new UI on your new Game Turbo. And of course you can scroll down, configure your touch resistant area, your enhanced visual. So all those customizations are present, just that you get a new cool looking UI with a new sound effect as well when you switch between the different games. Next up, let us go ahead and see how you can install this new Game Turbo 4.0 on your MIUI 13 global or India devices without having to root your device. So here it is. This here is the Xiaomi Mi 11X, and right now we are running MIUI 13.0.4.0. If we go into the application info for the security application, you will notice the version is 6.1.6. And if I go into settings and then I can go into apps, manage apps, three dot menu on the top right, make sure that you get the option of hide system services. If you get show system services, select that, and then over here we're going to search for system plugin, and we need to check out the version for that as well. So here it is, system service plugin. The version is 9.11.0. 2. Next thing we need to do is we need to update these two applications. The APKs are linked in the description of the video. Whether you're rooted, you're not rooted, the process will remain the same. Go into File Manager application, here and go into APKs. You should see the APKs which you have downloaded. So for security and system service plugin, these are the two APKs. First of all, we are going to install the security application, and if you get a message that hey, you need to accept all these risks, the danger thing from Miui, check mark the option on the bottom and then wait for 10 seconds and select OK and update the security application. Once the security application has been updated successfully, we will say done, go back, select the system service plugin and select update one more time and wait for the update process to finish successfully. There it is. It has been updated successfully as well. Now, obviously, you will notice that the Game Turbo icon on your home screen, if you had one, has changed. If I go into the application info for security, the version has changed to 6.2.0. In case you run into any issues after installing these APKs, select uninstall updates for the security application. And similarly, you can go into settings, apps, manage apps, and herein we are going to search for the plugin which we have updated. So system service plugin version has updated to 9.11.06. Again, if you run into any issues, select uninstall updates. Now we can go back into the Game Turbo application and we should have the new UI. So there it is. You can see we have the icon and bam, there it is. You can see we have this new UI and we have successfully updated our Game Turbo to the latest version 4.0 available for MIUI 13 global and India devices. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.